Do you have an idea and are you looking for a partner which can discuss, develop and produce it with you? If so, you need Pillen Products, your partner for advice, complete production and assembly of interior and design products. Designers, architects and international brands brainstorm with us about their product idea and final product. Projects range from kitchens and light fixtures to ceiling elements. So, challenge us. The product idea is converted into a 3D concept visualization, followed by an initial technical price calculation. Our 3D printers are used for prototyping and for parts production. The material is not an issue here. Our extensive range of machines each has its own specialism, enabling us to process metal, profiles, wood and plastics. For smaller products, Pillen Products also offers complete assembly, such as for infrared heating elements including the electrical components. These are subsequently tested in accordance with the applicable standards. Besides our production and assembly facilities, we also have a complete signing and visualization department. Here, various materials can be provided with individual prints and house-style components. So, let's make it together!